Hello, I hope this is recording. You might be able to see that I'm actually in my car on a very sunny winter's day in the UK. Having been for a hospital appointment, I know I'm not going to be home to do the 3 p.m. live. So here I am going to talk about an idiom, come rain or shine. I can't see the screen too well because the sun is streaming through my car window. So hopefully you can see, or more importantly, you can hear, and that shadow is somebody opening the car door next to me. But come rain or shine is a phrase that people will use when they are promising to do something. You know, I will do that for you, come rain or shine. Or you might describe somebody's commitment to fitness. He goes running every morning, come rain or shine. Or she goes swimming every Friday, come rain or shine. So, could you use that idiom today? Come rain or shine means whatever the situation, somebody will commit to doing something. So if you can use that, please let me know in the comments below. It would be really great. Thanks for joining. If you're watching on catch up, it would be really nice to know where you're from, and hopefully next week I will actually be at home to do maybe a longer live, but I was committed to doing the 3 p.m. live, come rain or shine. Bye for now.